ZocDoc App Review 2025. Is it the easiest way to book a doctor's appointment? Most people get healthcare scheduling wrong by waiting too long or calling multiple offices. ZocDoc aims to fix that, and in 2025 it's more popular than ever. ZocDoc lets you search for doctors, dentists, and specialists based on location, insurance, and availability. You can book appointments instantly without phone calls. The surprising truth is how much time this saves, especially for last-minute needs. One standout feature is transparency. You see real patient reviews, accepted insurance plans, and open time slots in one place. You won't believe what happens next when you realize many appointments are available within days, not weeks. Another benefit is reminders. ZocDoc sends confirmations and alerts, reducing missed appointments. However, most people get this wrong by assuming every doctor participates. Some providers don't use ZocDoc, and availability can vary by region. Occasional cancellations also happen when offices fail to update schedules. In conclusion, ZocDoc is one of the easiest ways to book medical appointments in 2025. While not perfect, it simplifies healthcare access and saves valuable time.